Hey guys, this is Helm with MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. I'm here to walk you through our brand new 2021 Scout 277 LXF. Those of you familiar with Scout will remember the 275. This is replacing that model. Same basic layout, but again, a little upgrade from Scout here. This is the new Macella color interior. It's the old Cayenne with Scout's lighter color interior. Nice little combo there. First thing, obviously, is this nice big ski tow bar. Great for water activities if you aren't fishing for the day. Powered with twin white Mercury 200 outboards. New design for Merc, obviously. It's been out for about a year. On the back there, kind of hard to see, but there is a single hookup for the flushing of the boat and the switch right there for it. Again, just continuation on the back. There's cup holders literally all over this boat. Beautiful recessed cleats all around. Really nice fender clips. Great for tying off those lines and fenders so you're not constantly adjusting them. You just go right back in place like that. Here, obviously, we're gonna have our coffin boxes in the back, or fish boxes. This does fold in. Again, in case you are fishing, you have some more room back here. On the back of our leaning post, really nice spot. You can store that. That is insulated. Great spot for some drinks. Again, more drawers, great for organizing your tackle or maybe some cookware, depending on what you have on the boat. Nice sink, more rod holders. Same thing on the powder coated T-top. You got your nice rocket launchers up there. Moving up to the helm, on the starboard side over here on the actual leaning post, as well as a nice fridge. So again, another great spot for some drinks. At the helm, nice double wide companions chair with individual thigh-high bolsters. Obviously our Edson steering wheel, digital throttle and shifts, our trim tabs, port and starboard motor starts, twin Garmin displays. Great little lockable spot there for a phone if you want. If you are docking and dining, you want to leave some stuff in there. Garmin VHF, more halo switching for your spreader lights, so on. Another thing I forgot to highlight on the port side is an awesome dive door. Again, just great, depending on how you're boating, again, just great spots on and off the boat. Fun for everybody. Here's our head compartment. Really cool looking flooring in there. Working your way to the front. Awesome spot here in front of the T-top. Again, pretty much everything is insulated on this boat, so we can stuff that with fish, ice, drinks, whatever you want. Really deep storage box there. Same thing with your seating here. Mirrored on the other side, same thing, insulated, loaded up with ice or fish. Awesome backrest up here. Again, this is an awesome spot to hang out. As we make our way up front, it is your windlass anchor and forward boarding ladder. It is notched out, so again, it kind of fits in there very nicely. Controls for your windlass, obviously. More recessed cleats, more rod holders. You can get a good look again at the awesome T-top from Scout. They do a great job with this. All right, guys, again, Helm with MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. This is the 2021 Scout 277 LXF. If you have any questions about this or any other boat that we have, feel free to come in or visit us online. Thank you.